Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You will use Kiwi because it supports Chrome extensions on Android. That's the only reliable way today. First, install Kiwi from the Play Store or sideload the APK and grant the minimal permissions. Once installed, open Kiwi and make sure basic pages load. This confirms network and permissions are fine. Then, tap the three-dot menu, choose Extensions to open the Extensions page, and keep that tab ready. This is where you'll add and manage extensions next. Now you'll add the extension. Switch Kiwi to desktop mode from the menu so the Chrome Web Store interface loads correctly. Next, navigate to the Web Store, find the extension you need, and tap Add to Chrome. Kiwi will prompt to install. Accept permissions and wait for the extension to finish installing. Once done, make sure the extension icon appears in Kiwi's toolbar. If it doesn't, reopen the Extensions page and enable the extension from the list, because some installs need manual enabling. Finish by configuring the extension. Open its Options panel inside Kiwi to sign in and set preferences, because many extensions need initial setup. Make sure to allow site access where required. Use Kiwi's site controls to restrict or permit functionality. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Clear Kiwi's cache, restart the browser, and reinstall the extension if it still fails. This sequence solves most problems. If not, check permissions again, and then repeat the install.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.